TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Morning, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 90. You get the NASDAQ up 28. S&Ps are up 9.5. Gold contracts trading up $2.60 to $1,346 an ounce. We have silver up 10 cents at $18.96 an ounce. Platinum is up $4, $11.08 an ounce. You get copper down a penny at $2.13 a pound. Light sweet crude, that's flat at $47.05. Bonds. Now, the 10-year bond up 2 ticks, 132.11. 30-year bond up 12 ticks, 172.25. King dollar down 99 ticks, $94.40. You get the euro trading at $1.13, and the yen is at 100 plus 10. We go take a look at the S&P. What you have with the SPY out here is this SPY right now is trading at 219.54. This is the first day that you actually get a pop. We'll see whether this can hold the 219.50. So 219.50, folks, was the high. That was generated out here on August 15th. It gave it up on spades. We'll see how this shakes out this particular point. We've been trading sideways within a 20-point S&P span since going back to the 20th of July. We take a look at the NDX 100. Same setup in the NDX 100. It's going after the August 15th high, which is $117.97. Now, both the S&P and the NASDAQ 100 did really light volume on the 15th of August. So, number one, we'll see what the price can hold. And number two, what is the volume characteristic? Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here is trading at $13.46. Bottom line, not enough juice in the contract. We've done 80,000 contracts. Right now, bottom line, you're coming into approximately, you're coming into 185,000 contracts. It doesn't look like gold's going to hold higher price. Silver. Silver is the one that's actually given the best information, folks. And what it is this. Silver yesterday came down, broke its whole consolidation, broke it with volume. We did 91,000 contracts as we broke that consolidation that's been on since July 1st. What you have out here today, you get a small bounce, you have lighter volume, it's already actually given it up on price, and what does that set up? That sets up silver, looks like it wants to come back into approximately the $18 area. I suspect what we're going to have here coming into Friday is it's going to be all about yelling, it's going to be all about bonds. If we take a look at the 10-year note, what you're going to see is this. Yesterday, the 10-year note rejected lower price and did have lighter volume. It came right down. We hit 131.22. The swing point is 131.19. Now, what are you doing out here today? You're going up, and the volume is anemic on the way up. So what that's more than likely is setting up is that it's not going to be able to handle price at this 132.15 mark and flip right back around and go after that swing low, and we very well may have an ABC structure on the way down. 30-year is set up the exact same way. 30-year came down yesterday, rejected lower price. You're going higher today. You have 91,000 contracts, and you're going into 263,000. So the bottom line is that the bonds are moving higher. The volume is dying on the vine. Good old King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? King Dollar out here is trading. We hit a low of 94.19. We've done 9,400 contracts. Now, what this has done is that this has rejected lower price. If the King Dollar is right where, if it gets above about another 10 ticks, it is saying King Dollar wants to go higher. So the number you want to keep your eye on is 94.38. That's the number. It's rejected it lower volume in a big way. So it looks like King Dollar wants to go higher, and bonds want to go lower. And more than likely, what we're going to see is going to be all about this Fed, Janet Yellen speaking on Friday. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.